Morning, guys. We are back in Asheville, North Carolina. We decided to stay a couple extra days, and I had time, so I decided to come back out to the park. This is a beautiful park. They just have so much here. Last time we were out, we hunted over there by the baseball field and over here by the volleyball courts. Today, since there's not a lot of kids or anybody over there, I'm gonna go give the kids park a try. Turn you back on when I got something. Okay, got another reading, about 24, 25. Surface time. It's new too, just dropped, still clean. Okay, got another reading here. There it is. There's a quarter. There it is. And it's a penny. Yep. Okay, got another shallow target here. Huh. Kid's ring. Kind of cute. Just bling. Got a 25, 24 on the surface, according to this. Okay. There it is, right there. Got a dime. Got a 30, showing up fairly shallow. Let's get that. Okay, at the end of the shovel. There it is. It's quartered. There it is. Piece of aluminum. It's a buckle or some type, something. Not sure. Might be from the power pole. Whatever it was came out of there. There it is, right there. What'd we get? Wow. It's like part of a coin, one type or another. But that was it. Maybe. First coin of the day, fresh drop penny. Here it is, right here. Got it. And we got a dime, finally. Just 3/4 of a penny. Well, we just dug a nickel. I thought it was going to be a pop top because it rang up as a 13, but it is a nickel. Dug another penny. It's a memorial. Just dug this earring, kind of on the surface. Pretty sure it's bling, but it looks cool. I don't see any markings, so there it is, right there. We got a quarter. Good deal. Here it is, right here. And it is a dime. For anybody who's wondering, I am not on the field. There it is. And there it is, right there. Memorial penny. Look over, and one on the surface, second one on the surface, brand new pennies. Makes life easy when you do that. I don't know what kind of lawnmower they're using out here, but I'm going to tell you, it is sharp. Because this looks like the edge of a dime. Maybe a penny. But it is cutting these things clean off easily. Got another penny laying on the surface. I think that's what it's going to be. Wait, there it is, right there. It wasn't false, it's a quarter. Looks like it's clad. Another penny laying on the surface. And we got another surface penny. Okay, and again, more surface coins. A penny and a dime. Like it out here. Okay, there it is. Nope, that's not it. Right there. It's a dime. I have a 25, 26 right here. And it's not a dime, it's a penny. And then again, yep, memorial penny. This is going to be my wrap-up video from my second day of going out and detecting in Asheville. As you can see, I picked up a lot of trash, a lot of tin foil, pull rings, more tin foil, I guess a tent stake. I'm not sure what that was. A nut, looks like part of a spoon, and it rang up as like a 32 or 33. a bolt, pull tabs, bottle caps, cheap earring, another cheap earring, it's bling. Found this ring in the kids section. What's cool about it is the centerpiece spins, so it's kind of like a fidget ring. And I found a crushed kids ring, and it's all junk, but it's not in the ground anymore. I also found a lot of change. $1.25, 60 cents and dime, a nickel, 21 cents in pennies. Well, 21 cents in pennies. I found a 1951 wheatback penny that's in really good shape. And these are pennies that were chopped up by the lawnmower. And I don't know what kind of lawnmower they're using, but the blades are super sharp. Just cut right through these things and cut them clean off. Edges came off like this. It was pretty good. All in all, it was a good second day out there. Asheville is rough to dig in. There's a lot of minerals, a lot of ore in the ground, a lot of different types of metals, a lot of fake readings. I would get a 30 or 32 reading and hold down the pinpointer and start digging, and kept digging and digging and digging to the point it had to be something in the ground that was causing it at that location. But all in all, it was a great day out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.
This has been a Romeo production.